In hangars across this great country, there are aircraft technicians using homemade tools to perform complicated tasks. For less than a cup of really good coffee a day, you can help change the lives of these technicians. For just $2 a day, you can provide your technicians with the ATAT-1100 walker. It's the world's first multidirectional bridle cable clamp tensioning tool. Just $2 a day will brighten these technicians' lives. Your technicians can enjoy no longer using safety wire or bubble gum and chopsticks to tension a bridle cable clamp. Call the number on your screen and an operator will assist you in purchasing one of these life-changing tool sets. Give your technicians the gift of never working with the wrong tools again. Call or go online now.